In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a PayPal debit card, step by step. To follow along, make sure you have the PayPal app installed on your mobile device and that you can sign into your account. A stable internet connection will help everything load smoothly. Open the PayPal app and log in. From the home screen, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap Finances. Depending on your app version, the wording might vary slightly, but you're looking for the section that organizes your money tools and cards. Next, locate the option that says Get a PayPal debit card and tap it. This will bring up an overview of what the card offers. Take a moment to review the features, like potential cash back on eligible purchases, access to ATMs when you need cash, and the ability to spend directly from your PayPal balance. This is also a great time to skim any terms, fees, or usage limits so you understand how the card works. When you're ready to move forward, tap Get a PayPal debit card to begin the application. You'll now be prompted to verify your personal information. Confirm that your legal name, mailing address, and contact details are correct. If anything needs updating, especially your address, fix it before you continue since your card will be mailed there. Accuracy here helps avoid delays. For security and regulatory reasons, PayPal will ask you to confirm your identity. Enter the requested verification details, such as the last 4 digits of your social security number or any other information the app requires. Only provide this within the official PayPal app and double check what you enter to prevent verification issues. Once everything looks good, tap Continue to submit your application. You may see a brief confirmation screen. Give it a moment to process. After submission, PayPal will review your application. If you're approved, you'll receive a confirmation email, so keep an eye on your inbox and your spam folder just in case. Your PayPal debit card will be mailed to the address linked to your account, typically within 7 to 10 business days. Shipping times can vary, but most people receive it within that window. And that's it. That's how you can get a PayPal debit card using the PayPal app. It's a convenient way to access your PayPal balance for everyday shopping, ATM withdrawals, and more. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more PayPal tips and tutorials.